Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect your Finals account to Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, or Twitch. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to id.embark.games. This is the official Embark Studios ID portal where you can manage all your account connections and link your Finals game account to various gaming platforms. Having your accounts connected allows you to access your game progress across different platforms and ensures your data is synced properly. Once the page loads, take a look at the left panel of your screen. You'll notice several platform options displayed there, including Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and other supported platforms. This panel is your central hub for managing all platform connections, making it easy to link multiple accounts from one convenient location. For this demonstration, let's say you want to connect your Steam account. Simply click on the Steam option from the list of available platforms. You can choose any platform you prefer based on where you primarily play the finals. Each platform connection follows a similar process, so once you understand how to link one, you'll be able to connect the others just as easily. After clicking your chosen platform, you'll be directed to a login page where you need to authenticate your account. In the designated field, enter your account name. This is the username or email associated with your Steam account, so make sure you enter it accurately to avoid any login issues. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Double check that you're typing it correctly, as incorrect credentials will prevent the connection from being established. Your account security is important, so always ensure you're on the official Embark Games website before entering any sensitive information. Now click the sign in button to proceed with the authentication. This will verify your credentials and begin the process of linking your Finals account to your chosen platform. The system needs to confirm your identity before establishing the connection. After that, you'll need to click sign in once more to finalize the connection. This second confirmation step ensures that you're intentionally linking these accounts together and helps prevent any accidental connections. Once you complete this step, your Finals account will be successfully connected to your selected platform. If you want to connect additional platforms like Xbox or PlayStation, the process is just as straightforward. Simply go back to the main page at id.embark.games and repeat the same steps for your other gaming accounts. You can link multiple platforms to your Finals account, giving you flexibility in how and where you play. And that's it. Your Finals account is now connected to your preferred gaming platform, allowing you to enjoy seamless gameplay across different systems. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.